today I really want to make a Boston cream icebox cake, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, add 8 ounces of whipped cream, 2 packets of instant vanilla pudding, and 3 cups of milk. Mix until well combined. Line tennis biscuits at the bottom of your prepared baking tin. Pour half of the vanilla pudding mixture on top and smooth out. Add another layer of tennis biscuits and add the rest of the vanilla pudding mixture on top and spread out evenly. Add a final layer of tennis biscuits. In a pot over low heat, add a half a cup of butter, a half a cup of chocolate chips, a half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of milk. Mix until smooth and glossy. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Pour over your tarts and allow to cool to room temperature. Sprinkle a half a cup of chocolate chips on top, cover and place in the freezer overnight. Cut into squares and enjoy.